That's worth being out here in the cold.
I know, let me see it. Oh, it's so cute.
Hello.
Hello.
We're out here at, that's nice sun, out here at Tornado Alley again, looking for some good stuff. See what we find. Just pulled this out of the ground. Looks like a piece of jewelry. Maybe. Got some fancy on it. I'm not sure. It's got an odd back to it. Maybe it was a picture frame or something. Do you think this was a little cameo frame or something?
Oh yeah, it could have a
Maybe.
picture in it and we can't see it right now.
Because it's flat on the back.
It's got a bunch of mud in it and everything.
That's cool. We'll be careful with it. Relic Rhonda's way over there. She just found a pocket knife, and to make it really interesting.
I found one too.
Yeah.
And mine says R.P. Vinson or Winson on it. It's pretty old too. Say turn of the century.
Oh, nice. Let's see.
It's very cool.
Someone's hand scratched their name on there. How cool is that? Is that Bakelite?
I don't know. It might be.
So it's probably 30s, 20s,
Yeah, I've
30s.
got to say 20s or 30s, but it's got a wood pattern.
That's
Pretty cool.
Very nice.
Probably tell by the shield. It's got a good shield on it.
I just found a horseshoe, which was interesting. So I can find it.
Sorry about the wind. The wind is affecting.
So, over here, we're close to the road over on this side, and it's very nice to find a really, truly old relic. And then we just dug this. I'm not sure what it is yet.
It's a token. Tax token.
Is it tax token?
It says tax on the other side. Sweet.
Here, you clean it.
Nice big bronze one.
Here,
I got toothpick.
here's my brush.
It's 5. This will work better.
Brushy.
Brush won't help it. Oh yeah, it's a Missouri tax receipt. But I've never seen a 5.
Oh, that one's in nice condition too.
Look at that, it's 5. It's a sales tax token. That's cool.
I like this corner.
Yeah, this corner's good. Missouri sales tax token. I've never seen a 5. Sweet.
Oh, it's a nice shade.
Yeah.
We'll clean it.
Get this side up.
Those were your clean jeans, right?
Yeah, they were my clean jeans. Yeah. I'm not got anything to do this week. I'm sitting around in my dirty jeans. Same thing on this side.
Yeah.
That rocks.
Oh,
Happy with that.
that's cool. Yeah, I've never found one like that either.
Oh, and just in case we don't get back into filming, I found over there where Relic Rhonda is, roughly, way over there on that pile. I found a very heavy silver-plated shaver. I'm sure that's what that is, with the screw on it. Look how ornate that is.
Very nice.
It weighs a ton.
Cool. See what else we find.
Soon. Maybe we'll be back. Maybe we won't.
Nice, warm, pretty day. They've moved tons of dirt out here. So we're looking past the top layer that had all that nasty aluminum in it. And we've actually found some stuff, starting to find some stuff. I just found this, which looks like a Girl Scout or Boy Scout pin. Not sure which one, because no, but the pin's still on the back. That's pretty cool, that, actually. me give it a little brushy. See what if we can see it. It's really muddy. See it a little better. It's either a Girl Scout or a Boy Scout pin. Pretty nice, really. It's got the pin on the back. I'll let you see it after it's clean. See if we find some more stuff out here. I have a feeling we're going to. It's awfully nice out.
It looks a lot different now. Relic Ritter. I just finished digging this hole. Yay. And I found another Missouri text token. Here it is. Yeah. Because of the lighting. Good Missouri text token. This one's seen better days. Text token, yay. Well, not skunked, I guess. Well, here's my hole that I've been working on. I've never come across a tax token spill. I mean, these last two are really rough, but that's what they are. That's the third one I pulled out of here. I think there's another one. They're just Missouri State mill tokens. 1 mils. I'll clean them up a little bit, but that's what that is. Ruder said she found an advertising token of some sort. We'll have to see what that looks like in just a minute.
I'm finding some stuff. Nothing too old. I think Leon just found a couple of tax tokens over there. And I just dug this out of the hole. Not sure what it is yet. It's definitely aluminum. It's a religious token or what? I don't see any holes in it, so it's not a rose tag. Let me brush it off and see if we can see what it says. Let's see here. I am trying to read that. This is crystal white, good for. I can read that part. I'll have to look it up and get it cleaned off properly and see what she says later.
Oh, hello.
What'd you find?
A buffalo nickel.
Yay!
My
This is so cool. Oh, it's in nice condition too, Rhonda. Look at the details on that buffalo. Oh my God, break it out.
I was too, and I was
Oh my
locking that
God.
guy. I'm trying to poke apart.
Oh my God, look at the detail on it. Wow. Wow. They never come out of the ground looking like that.
Well, there's a bunch of stuff over there. I was trying to get you to come over with it because my detector.
See if we can get the
It's
date.
finding. I had it on coin, and it was like telling me it's a coin, and I was not digging.
Do you
coin.
got your good glasses with you?
Yeah.
Here, you see if we can see the date.
Okay, let's see here. It should be right there. Yeah.
37?
1937, maybe. You might be right on the 37. Look. Ain't that pretty? He's very shiny too.
Wow, look at the details. You can see his hair and his feathers in his hair.
Yeah, the feathers are really good.
Wow, that is awesome. I don't know if I'm in focus here. Yeah, there we
Is that like a camera?
Wow. Yeah, it's the lens cover.
It is very, very
Leon
well.
made it.
Neat.
So,
Do you want this one? You want to take this side clean it better?
it's good.
Good.
Well, just found this little guy. So cute. Little heart lock. I don't know if it's very old. It might not be, but very cute. Right next to where the token was, my tax token. It's very nice little guy. I never found one like this small before. Very cute. That's worth being out here in the cold, right?
What?
That's worth being out here in the cold.
I know, let me see it. Oh, it's so cute.
And might have actually found what looks like a tip of an arrowhead over here. And I do believe it is. Look at that. Or it actually might be the base. Might even be a base piece. That's cool. Ooh, nice. What do you think? Oh. Huh. It matches the same kind of chert as the one you found over here.
That does match it. That is cool.
Nice. Nice, well worked on that side.
Mm-hmm.
Party. Might be the end piece, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. We'll take it. We'll see what else we find today in the mud. I know we'll find lots of mud. There are a lot of glass right through this one area, so we'll see if we find some more goodies.
I don't know what it is. But I'm gonna say, focus on it, I guess. It looks like a button back to me. It's got a little hatch pattern on it. It's brass. It's very loud.
This is something you just don't expect when you dig it. I think it's a dog. Maybe it's a llama or a reindeer. Oh, wait a minute. It's not a dog. It's a reindeer or something. It's got horns that are broken off. What the heck? Yeah. That is bizarre. Can't say I've ever found one of them before. It's actually kind of cute. His antlers are gone. Huh. Wonder how old that is. There's something right there. Up the center. Probably was on a little base. That's cute. Looks like he's been bulldozed though. Poor guy. I did that. I think. Took his paint off. Yeah, we'll see if we find the rest of him. I doubt we will. That's bizarre.
Okay.
Relic Rhonda
Hello.
thinks that she found something really cool. Second one. And I think you're right. Do the extraction. Oh, yeah, it's whole. Isn't it whole?
Yeah.
The end's tapered, isn't it? Wait. Turn it over. See?
Yeah.
That's worked. Oh, that's so sweet.
It's a pocket find.
Wow. I got a pocket. I'll put it in there.
I
Keep it safe.
in my little
Do you have one?
container that Leon made me.
Oh,
Isn't that crazy?
Oh my God.
Okay, let's stay right here because I think we will
Yeah.
have more finds.
Yeah, I do too. Very nice.
I mean, this is the third arrowhead in this particular
Yeah.
arrowhead area.
Well, I think this is an actual spring
I do too.
instead of some weird waterway. So
if that's a capped off little spring, that
Mhm.
means that
we've got a site here. Yeah.
look at that.
So I don't know. I found a weird coin. It's quarter size.
You want to clean it with that? Because I'm just rubbing on it.
The bust is facing that way. It's got text running around it. Here, yeah, you work on it a minute. Here, you can use that. Just don't push me in the mud.
I'll try not to. Ooh, is it Mexican?
Seeing how you don't have your glasses and my glasses aren't worth a dang. I don't know what that is.
It's very cool.
It's odd. Very odd coin. I guess we'll find out later. It could be something cool. Spit on it.
It's getting cleaner as you do that.
Gosh, I don't see a thing. On that side, there's something. Gosh.
Definitely a cool coin.
Huh. Interesting.
It's kind of shiny too.
Okay. Did you get your target you were after? Before I so rudely interrupted you.
I don't know what it is.
Let's look at.
I think it's a gigantic piece of metal. I've abandoned it.
I can't see a thing. There's a He-Man leg over there. That's where I found it. Yeah, I'll go back to that. Okay, so you were getting the signal,
and then I looked down
and you looked down.
I did this with my detector, and then I pulled it up out of the ground. And
Wow!
Another one. Look at that.
How cool!
Let's get it in the sunshine. That is crazy.
Wow! Look how thin. Oh wow! That one's almost complete too. It's just missing its tip.
It was underneath a piece of trash.
Wow.
Literally a foam cup.
Okay, so
Now that means that they moved the soil over here from where it was originally.
I think they just scraped down to it. I think they're now in this
That
level.
was on top of it.
That could have blown in there. That is awesome. Number 3 today.
Number 3 today. Ruth started it though.
How cool.
Stay right in here.
Okay, so not too far from the odd coin that is yet to be determined. I found this. I'm not sure. It's aluminum, I'm pretty sure. It's probably another token, maybe probably a tax token or something. Oh. Tax, yes, it's a tax token. It's probably, I think, probably a 5 cent, because they have the hole in this there, and that one's got a hole. The bulldozer has had fun with it, it looks like. Yeah, tax token, I think. Cool. We found quite a few out here. Actually, this is the second one with the hole in it, the 5 cent token. We found a lot of 1 cent tokens so far. What else we find in the mud? Relic Ronda's over there. Just found some clad quarters and some Lincolns. It's thoroughly scraped now. So there's actually areas now that don't have all that nasty trash aluminum on top, and we're actually finding some older stuff. So I'm gonna keep at it.
Uh-oh. Sorry.
Mud. Right out the mud. It's a bird, you're right. Bird. its head's gone or something's weird there.
I'll find my brush. Where the heck is my brush?
Hi.
Hi, look.
Wow, we got mud.
What I found.
Mud edge. Mud edge.
There's your coin. Is it modern? It'll be
Oh,
modern.
it is.
It's a quarter. Is it silver at least?
No.
You sure?
You suck. Suck.
Okay.
That was deep.